Are you getting annoyed by the win-core-apiquery library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Before we get started with win-core-apiquery library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the win-core-apiquery library, a foundational library used by the OS and applications to query the presence of specific API sets on the local machine. It manages the localized capability check for modern software. Corruption or absence prevents software from resolving its internal execution manifest, leading to a silent startup crash. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. If win-core-apiquery library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including win-core-apiquery library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like win-core-apiquery library DLL. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing win-core-apiquery library within a Windows library environment. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved win-core-apiquery library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.